Welcome to day 20 of the Etsy Hacks 30-Day Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an Etsy hack that will help you with time management. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but you could actually change multiple listings at one time. And you could change the pricing, the title, and other things. So let me show you what I mean. So if you go to your store and you click on Shop Manager, it's going to take you to this window here. Make sure that you click on Listings, and it's going to show all of your listings here. What's nice about it is that you can actually do changes in bulk, and that will save you a lot of time. So you could either pick the listings that you want to make a change by clicking on this little box and selecting, let's say I did these 4 here, and I could go here and I could say I want to renew all of these 4 listings, or I could go here, editing, and I could edit the titles, edit the tags, edit descriptions, edit the price, right? So let's say I wanted to edit the pricing. I could actually decrease by amount. So I could decrease by 10 cents or 30 cents or $10, right? I could set a new amount. I could percentage increase and percentage decrease. Now, once you do this, whatever one you pick, all 4 listings will change automatically. Another thing you could do also is just go up here and select all 23. So I only have 23 listings on this actual store. This is my smaller store. I use it only for tutorials. So that's the reason why I don't really focus on it as much. But let's say I go ahead and select all 23, as you can see, and I could definitely come up here and do changes in bulks. I could also change sections, shipping profiles, renewal options, production partners, etc. So this is a hack that not too many people know about that you could definitely use for your Etsy business to save you some time. Let me know in the comments if you already knew about this hack. And guys, show me some love by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next Etsy hack video.